Hello, Awaken your higher consciousness advanced mastery program. This is our new offering, and I am Kenji from Sedona, Arizona, and I'm sharing with you my vision for your self-mastery and awakening in this advanced program. I've created a 16-module format designed to address the major core patterns that have inhibited your full self-expression in a state of compassion. I and the guides are offering this unique program because it is my calling, a spiritual urge I have had since childhood. We will, in this accelerated program, show you the who, the what, and the why in your journey to authenticity, transparency, and the embodiment of your highest self, your I am presence, your monad. For more information, do go to kenjikumara.com and go to the offerings tab at the top of the page and click on AYHC. And you can get a look at the sales page to see what we are offering. And we have many, many bonuses in this program that I'm sure will delight your soul. So until next time, have a very blessed life, and perhaps we'll see you in this new program that starts in early May. Many blessings from Sedona.